P. Diddy lives just there. We fell off. I don't know if I've got the footage or not. I really fucking hope I have. But Izzy's about to hold the camera. She's going to do an over-the-shot POV. Fuck. Oh fuck! Oh my god! I'm gonna drop. The problem is, if I drop this camera in the ocean, I'm fucked. Okay.
Yeah, but holy
shit, the phone's just. Oh my god, the fucking jet ski's well far away. The phones are still in the bag. I'm definitely gonna have to buy 2 new phones. Fuck, the jet ski's well far away. Shit.
Holy fuck.
Have you backed your iCloud up?
Yeah.
Oh fuck. No, I don't mind buying an iPhone, but if she's not back the iCloud, I feel well bad.